Hello, I'm Chef Craig Claude, Culinary Services Manager for Schwan's Food Service. Today I'm going to show you the steps for baking a pizza in a convection oven. You want to preheat your oven to the proper temperature. You can do this by placing your oven thermometer in the oven and setting the oven to the recommended temperature. You can find the proper oven settings for the product you are using here on the side panel. If you are using a convection oven, you will want to turn the pizza halfway through the baking process. Once you reach the recommended time, check your pizza for doneness by putting your thermometer in the center of the pizza. The temperature should read at least 185 degrees Fahrenheit. If it does, remove your pizza from the oven and place on a cutting board. Let your pizza stand for 3 to 5 minutes before cutting. To cut your pizza, we'll use a pizza cutter.